Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete a page in the Microsoft Word app on your mobile device. If you have an extra blank page or a page with content you no longer need, you can remove it in just few simple steps. To get started, open the Microsoft Word app on your phone and open the document that contains the page you want to delete. Next, scroll to the page that you want to remove and tap anywhere on that page to place your cursor inside the content. If the page contains text, images, tables, or other elements, tap and hold on the content and use the selection handles to highlight everything on that page. Once the content is selected, tap delete or press the backspace key on your keyboard to remove it from the document. If you're trying to remove a blank page, the page is usually being created by extra paragraph marks, empty lines, or page breaks. Place your cursor at the beginning of the blank page and press the backspace key. Or place the cursor at the end of the previous page and continue pressing delete until the blank page disappears. If the page was created by a page break, simply place your cursor next to the page break and remove it to the bring the content back together. After the extra content or page break is removed, the unwanted page should disappear automatically. And that's it. That's how you can delete a page in the Microsoft Word app on mobile. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.